Hello, my name is Gretchen Abney. I am the Campus Life Director here at Life Pacific University, Virginia.
My name is Trey Abney. I'm a Foursquare pastor, I'm a life and leadership coach, and I'm also an adjunct professor here at LPU Virginia.
One of the opportunities that I have in this role is to develop culture of growth, a culture of knowing who we are as leaders, and a culture of equipping the next generation to make a difference.
And we know that there's a need because the growing population and the shift of population in the United States is to the east and to the south. So that means we're going to need more churches, more missional leaders, more youth pastors, more children's pastors, more worship leaders. And we believe God has strategically placed us here to raise up those leaders for such a time as this.
Part of that development comes with just knowing our story, hearing the miraculous work that God did in the lives of the men and women who said yes to Him.
When you listen to those 100 years of faith stories that are the history of Foursquare, you see men and women who are trained and sent out to change communities, cities, countries, and nations. And we believe that we are raising up those kinds of leaders here.
They know that God has called them, equipped them, and is pouring into them His Spirit for the days ahead. And so we know that He is moving and propelling these students to make a difference. And it is exciting. And we want you to come be a part.
Come visit our campus. Come meet our students. Come sit in a class and experience the life and the work God is doing here and the transformation of the Holy Spirit that's taking place here. We want you to be a part because we believe God has a plan and a purpose for this campus.